Welcome to the VitaLife Show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, a naturopathic doctor, and thanks for joining us today. Today we'll be presenting a natural face mask, a home remedy, a beauty face mask, using natural ingredients which you may already have in your kitchen, avocado, some other secret ingredients to help with moisturizing the skin, minimizing wrinkles, decreasing pore size, helps with acne, helping to detoxify the skin as well. I'm so happy to have my daughter Alayah here with me today to help us out. We always prefer to use natural ingredients at home when we're doing our beauty routines. I think it's important to educate our younger ones, like my daughter Alayah, especially, as they're aging as well, to use more and more natural ingredients for their beauty, because we don't want to be exposed to all of those toxins and those chemicals, which are in probably 98% of the products that we find out there. So doing this naturally is the best way to do it. So let's say hi to Alayah.
Hi.
Hi, so it's great that she's here today. And so today we're going to do our beauty face mask. Should we get started?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're using in our recipe is a half of a ripe avocado, as well as a tablespoon of honey, and I actually prefer an organic honey is best if you can, has natural antibacterial effects. And we're also using our two special secret ingredients. And our secret ingredients are our hair, skin, and nails formula from VitaTree, as well as our spirulina. These are great ingredients because we can use them not only internally, which we should be doing, but also externally to help with our collagen and our elastin fibers.
How many capsules do we need?
Well, great question. We use 2 capsules of each. So 2 capsules of the hair, skin, and nails, and 2 capsules of the spirulina. So what are the benefits of doing this beauty mask? Well, number one, it helps with moisturizing the skin. It contains natural antioxidants from the avocado, vitamin A, vitamin D, and natural vitamin E, which is so fantastic. It helps to minimize pore size, helps as a natural antibacterial because the honey actually can help with killing bacteria on the skin, helping as well with acne. So this is really important, especially, for teenage girls if they're developing these problems as they're going through the teen years. It's also great for helping to build the collagen and elastin because we've added our natural ingredients, the hair, skin, and nails formula, as well as the spirulina. What's fantastic about the spirulina is that it also helps to detoxify the skin. So any of the toxins that are just beneath the skin surface, spirulina helps to get those toxins out, which is helpful for our acne as well if you have eczema or psoriasis. So really you don't need to just use this on the face, you can use it on the other parts of the body as well. So you ready to get started? Should we mix this up?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take our avocado and we're going to take a glass bowl so that we can show you exactly what we're doing. And you're going to scoop this out, Alayah, into our glass bowl. Perfect. And you just scoop it out around the edge. Great. I'll also help you out, so I'm going to add our tablespoon of our honey into the mix. And you're going to start to mash that up with our fork. I'll also add our secret ingredients, so our hair, skin, and nails formula, as well as our spirulina, which will be in our new formula for VitaTree in our iron formula, so that will be coming soon. Perfect. And we'll start to mash that up. Do you want to mash that up for us?
Sure.
Perfect. There we go.
Just like that?
Yeah, perfect. Get it nice and soft. So you want to get it into a nice, smooth, consistent batch, and you're going to have to stir and mash and stir and mash, and that's exactly the way to do it. Okay, that is looking fantastic. So if we take a look at that, isn't that looking great? I mean, look how green that is. That's so fantastic. And that's that beautiful spirulina, and that's gonna help with detoxifying our skin. So you ready to get started?
Yes.
To
Can
put
I
this
do you first?
Perfect. Go ahead, my dear. I wonder what I'm gonna look like after this, huh? It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to want to put it nice and evenly all over the skin. Okay, how do I look?
You look like a Ninja Turtle.
We love Ninja Turtles, right?
Yeah.
Especially our little guys at home love Ninja Turtles. Okay, you ready? It's your turn.
I can't wait.
Okay, it's your turn. Here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to paint this on, just like Alayah did so beautifully on me, avoiding the eye area. And you're going to leave it on for about 20 minutes. You can do it, certainly longer if you like. And you're gonna cover the entire face. And what I do suggest when you are resting, as this is drying on your face, is to use a towel on your pillow or wherever you may be lying down so that you're not getting this green mask all over your furniture. And then you're going to rinse it off with some warm water after your 20 minutes. All right, there we go. That looks beautiful, Alayah. I bet you can't wait to see yourself. You're gonna look just like me and just like a Ninja Turtle. Let's look right at the camera. Isn't that awesome? I know our younger brother, Micah, would love this with me.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today. I hope that you enjoyed our face mask and you're gonna try it at home very soon. Please be sure to click thumbs up on this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel by clicking here so that you get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife Show. And leave your comments and your questions below because we do get back to everybody. Also, be sure to look at our other videos here on the VitaLife